Do you want to change your Xbox name but you don't know how? Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to make your Xbox name exactly what you want it to be in just a few simple steps. So first, make sure that you're signed into your Xbox account. So open the Xbox app or go to the Xbox website on your computer or your console. Once you're signed in, head to your profile page, okay? Next, you're gonna find your current Xbox name and click on it. There should be an option to change your gamer tag. So click on that option to begin the process of picking a new name, all right? Now, when choosing your new name, remember that it can't be taken by someone else. So try a few different ideas. If your first choice is taken, Xbox will suggest similar names or you can get creative, all right? Now, after picking your new name, you're going to need to confirm it. Xbox may ask you to verify your account with a security code sent to your email or your phone, all right? Once that's done, your new Xbox name will be all set. You can start showing off your new gamer tag to your friends. Now, if you're excited, leave me a like. If you're excited, leave me a comment. If you're excited, leave me a